Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a purchase order using SQL accounting software. A purchase order is a document issued by the purchasing department when placing an order with a supplier. Here is a sample scenario. You want to purchase 10 tables, including the assembly cost from the supplier. As loyal customers, the supplier has offered you a 20% discount on the total price. Let's begin. Starting from the header field, select the supplier. The supplier details will be automatically keyed in. Next, change the date if necessary, select an agent and pick a term. Then you may enter your description here. We are going to key in furniture order as an example. That's all for the header field. Moving on to the item field. Click on this plus button to insert a record. Select the item code. The item details are automatically keyed in. Then, enter the required details. Insert the discount. For the assembly cost, there is no item code for it. So, just key in the description and fill in the details. After you've done inputting data, click on Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a purchase order. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.